This is the 26th video on computer awareness, and this will be a 40-part video series on computer awareness quiz, wherein we'll be discussing the basic fundamentals and concepts relating to computers, programs, and related terms and terminologies. In this video, we'll be talking about internet protocols. You will find these videos besides the respective GK Today quiz under computer awareness quiz section. Link is in the description. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. And now let's quickly get on with it. In the context of the dotted number format used in the IPv4, which among the following is not possible? Correct answer is C. Please note here that the above arrangement is known as dotted quad because of the 4. And in any of the 4 figures, the value cannot exceed 256. You might ask why? Because each number can be 0 to 255. So correct option is C. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit IP addresses. And IPv6, which is also called as next generation, are 128-bit IP addresses. And soon, because of growing numbers of computers as well as mobiles connecting to the internet, each will require its own IP address. And hence, we would be slowly moving on to IPv6. But still, for a certain period of time, IPv4 and IPv6 will tend to coexist. Which of these is a connection-oriented network protocol? Correct answer is A. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. It is a connection-oriented protocol and offers end-to-end packet delivery. TCP acts as a backbone for connections. What does UDP stand for? Correct answer is D. It stands for User Datagram Protocol. It is a connectionless and unreliable protocol. It doesn't require making a connection with the host to exchange data. Now the terms reliable and unreliable don't refer to whether it works or not. It refers to whether something is done to guarantee or verification. Unreliable protocols make no effort to set up a connection. They don't check to see if the data was received and usually don't make any provisions for recovering from errors or lost data. Hence, they are known as unreliable. Which of the following layer of the OSI model is used by TCP for its operation? Correct answer is B, transport layer. Now, for those who don't know what is OSI model, might want to check the video 20 on computer network devices. So OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection Model. It is a conceptual model that characterizes and standardizes the communication functions of a telecommunication or computing system. It basically divides network communications into 7 layers. And the TCP operates at the transport layer of the OSI model. TCP provides a reliable transport in that if a segment is dropped, the sender can detect that drop and retransmit that dropped segment. Which of these internet protocols work at the application layer? Correct answer is FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It works at the application layer. It enables the uploading and downloading of the files from a remote host. Which of these is not correct about Trivial File Transfer Protocol? Correct answer is A. TFTP does not have the security capability or the level of functionality that FTP has. TFTP does not offer directory navigation, and TFTP uses UDP to transfer the files. Which port is used by HTTP? Correct answer is B, 80. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It uses port 80 to communicate, whereas HTTPS uses port number 443 for communication. Which port is used by SMTP? Correct answer is C25. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol that defines how mail messages are sent between hosts. It uses port number 25 to send these messages. Which port is used by the Network News Transport Protocol? Correct answer is C. The Network News Protocol, or NNTP, uses the port 119. NNTP is similar to SMTP protocol, used for sending email messages, but it is designed specifically for newsgroup articles. Which of these protocols is used by TFTP for data transport? Correct answer is B, UDP. We have already seen this in our previous question. TFTP stands for Trivial File Transfer Protocol, makes use of UDP for data transport, and each TFTP message is carried in separate UDP datagram. Which of these protocols is used for monitoring networks and network components? Correct answer is SNMP. Stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. It is a TCP/IP protocol for monitoring networks and network components. What is the length of addresses used by IPv4? We have already seen this in our previous question. Correct answer is 32-bit. This limits the address space to 2 raised to 32 addresses. IPv4 addresses are written in the dot decimal notation, which consists of 4 octets. Which of these protocols is used to log into a remote computer? Correct answer is Telnet. Telnet is a protocol used to log into remote computer terminals over the internet or TCP/IP computer network. Telnet uses the port 23. Which of these protocols is used to retrieve email messages from a mail server? Correct answer is A. IMAP. The Internet Message Access Protocol, or IMAP, is an Internet standard protocol used by email clients to retrieve email message from a mail server. The default port used here is 143. Which of these ports is used by POP3? Correct answer is A110. POP3 stands for Post Office Protocol number 3. It is an application layer protocol used for electronic messaging across the internet. POP3 transfers email messages over the TCP port 110. Which of these protocols is used to manage the membership of Internet Protocol multicast groups? Correct answer is D. IGMP. It stands for Internet Group Management Protocol. It is a communication protocol used to manage the membership of Internet Protocol multicast groups. Which of these protocols is used to querying and modifying directory services running over a network? Correct answer is B. LDAP. Stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, or LDAP. Is a network protocol for querying and modifying directory services running over the network. Which of these ports is used by SNMP? Correct answer is 161. A Simple Network Management Protocol, or SNMP, is used to manage networks, which is used to monitor, configure, and control network devices. It uses port 161 and 162. Which of these network protocol is used to synchronize the time of server to another server? Correct answer is NTP. The network time protocol is used to synchronize the time of a computer client or server to another server or reference time source, such as a radio or satellite receiver or a modem. Which of these protocols is used by network components to find other devices in the same broadcast domain? Which of these protocols is used by network components to find other devices in the same broadcast domain? Correct answer is DARP. Stands for Address Resolution Protocol. It is an internet layer protocol that enables or helps the network components to find other devices in the same broadcast domain. Which port is used by DNS server? Correct answer is A53. A DNS server listens for requests on port 53, both UDP and TCP. So all DNS requests are sent to port 53. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It is used to convert the domain name to IP addresses. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. Thank you and see you in the next one.